Every house starts as an idea. Getting from idea to design takes a myriad of tools, expertise, and a lot of time. Now, an agent running locally on RTX Spark can help me design a house using the tools on my laptop with an OpenShell sandbox, running the Hermes harness connected to Claude Sonnet in the cloud. I select the site, share my concept sketches and mood board of styles to inspire my design. And the prompt, a text description of the requirements and the design intent. My agent goes to work. Using the tools on my laptop, it opens Rhino and starts modeling the site, shaping terrain, setbacks, and the building envelope. Then it proposes building forms, optimized for cost, comfort, and quality. With the form defined, my agent generates the interior layout. Walls, circulation, rooms begin to take shape. I jump in whenever I want, to adjust, to change. Doors, windows, and structural elements are placed automatically. My agent detects its own mistakes and fixes them. When I approve, the agent exports the model from Rhino into Blender. Materials and object properties transfer with the design context intact. I fine-tune the materials, get the look just right. Then, I pick the shots. Blender renders the house. My agent, using generative AI with the Flux 2 model, makes them photoreal. Multiple viewpoints, lighting conditions. What was once a complex workflow is now guided and simplified by my agent. Working with me on RTX Spark. Design at the speed of imagination.